we'll guide you through how to update Docker container. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by making the changes you need in your project source code. Then save every modified file before rebuilding your Docker image. Once your updates are ready, open Docker Desktop and switch to the Containers tab. Find the container that's currently running your application, click the Stop button, and wait for it to shut down completely. After the container has stopped, delete it to prevent conflicts with the updated version, then confirm the deletion if Docker asks for confirmation. Next, open a terminal inside your project folder and rebuild the image by running the command docker build-t my-custom-app. The build time may vary depending on your project size and whether Docker can reuse cached layers. When the build finishes successfully, return to Docker Desktop and open the Images tab. Locate the updated image named my-custom-app, then click the Run button with the play icon beside it. If needed, configure the container name so it's easy to identify later. Then review the port mappings and confirm they match your application's configuration. After confirming the configuration, click Run to create and start a new container from the updated image. Give Docker a few moments to launch the application and initialize every required service. Once the container is running, open your web browser and visit localhost using the host port you assign, such as port 3000 or port 8080. Allow the page to load completely. Then test your application to confirm the latest changes are visible and everything works as expected. If your updates appear correctly and the application runs without errors, you've successfully rebuilt your Docker image, replaced the old container, and deployed the newest version of your project for local testing.